Second game of our third elimination day here at the Chairman's Cup Philippines, and we are here with Coach Jofil Cercado of Team Iloilo Red battling against Team Tacloban with 82 to 42, huge 40-point lead. Coach, how did you help your players sustain that lead up until the fourth quarter?
Siguro good morning siguro yung motivation siguro lang yung came from bad game yesterday. So talk to them na need na pa mag step up siyang aton game, need na mag-understand siyang game. So umunto kagina nga as early as kasi kung na kaming moment, nakagain na kaming momentum, makontrol namon ng offense and defense. So that's why amo to nga pag na-control na nga ng inat na gid ang bansi namon. So amo to nga kung gaal ko chance ang mga iban ko nga mga di ka maka-rest man in preparation sa tomorrow nga na game na naman kay is for on gapasaka ang level sa imo mga next nga mga opponent. So need ta ma-refresh, maka-recover naman ang for the big game naman was.
Okay, thank you, Coach. Anyone you would like to thank from your supporters?
Say, once again, salamat sa Washington community, salamat sa trust, salamat sa mga players and parents, and sa mga family ko. Thank you so much sa mga tao nga friend and may mga salig sa ako.
Okay, thank you, Coach.
Thank you.
And we're also here with our best player of the game from Team Iloilo Red, Neil Ramses Habanya, with 20 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist, and consistent 77.8% field goal shooting. So, Neil, how did you consistently maintain it up until the end of this game and help your team win?
Ginating ko lang ang akong parents. Grabe la effort. Grabe la effort na pag-push na akong sa akong always did ma step up bisan matabo. Pasalamatan ko agad sa Lord.
Okay, so anyone you would like to thank pagid from your community and there at the school and your supporters?
Thank you good sa akong parents, kay Julius Nabanya, kay Eileen Nabanya. Thank you good for the supporting effort. Good push mo good ako para makapakulis ang achievement yan . Thank you sa Washington community sa mga facilities. Inyo man effort pagka-push man sa amon sa pangani. Shoutout man sa ako na GF. Thank you again sa tanan bisan sa pinaka-kanubo nga state na kon or good for me sa akon na side ka why you give up sa akon. Thank you again sa akon pagin mga relatives from all over the world. Thank you sa effort nyo guys.
Okay, thank you, Neil. And once again, this is Arcel Vinsagudo reporting for Chairman's Cup Philippines 2026.